Hi, Summer Howard, founder of Boulder Divorce Mediation. Divorce can be a complex and emotionally taxing process, but did you know that there are different ways that you can approach this? In this video, I'll explore 5 different methods of divorce so that you can make an informed decision about which option is right for you and your family. Let's dive in. The first option is called a pro se divorce. This is really just legal jargon for do-it-yourself. This is when you choose to represent yourself in the divorce process without the assistance of a lawyer. Pro se divorces are often less expensive, but can be risky if you're unfamiliar with the legal process or if your situation is complicated. The second option is to hire a lawyer with the intention of going to court. This is the traditional method of divorce and involves both parties retaining their own lawyer to represent them in court. This process is the most expensive and most adversarial, but it may be necessary if there are significant disputes or if the parties can't reach an agreement. The third option for divorce is collaborative law. This method involves both parties hiring lawyers specially trained in collaboration, working together to reach a settlement. This process encourages amicable communication as lawyers act as intermediaries, minimizing conflict. The fourth option is divorce mediation. This method involves a neutral third party called a mediator, specially trained to help couples negotiate their divorce and reach an agreement. Mediation can be more affordable than lawyers and less contentious than going to court, but it relies on both parties being willing to compromise and work together. Finally, the fifth option is a hybrid approach using both lawyer and mediator. In this approach, one or both parties can retain their own lawyers, but they also work with a mediator to facilitate negotiations. This can provide the benefits of both legal representation and a more collaborative and affordable process. To recap, the 5 methods of divorce that I discussed were 1, pro se, where you represent yourself without a lawyer. It's the DIY version. 2, hire a lawyer, but you're going to court. 3, hire a lawyer for collaborative law. 4, use a mediator to facilitate your negotiations. And 5, a hybrid approach where you use lawyers and mediation. Each divorce method has its own advantages and drawbacks, so it's important to carefully consider your specific situation when deciding which option is best for you. Seek professional guidance and support throughout the process. This will help you make good long-term decisions. By choosing the right approach, you can make the divorce process more efficient and manageable. This is the first step in creating the life that you want to have after divorce. So the approach you take to divorce needs to line up with the vision that you have for yourself in this next chapter of your life. So decide wisely. And if you need any help, please reach out to Boulder Divorce Mediation. You can reach me at support@boulderdivorcemediation.com. Big love to you. Until next time.